Let's begin with a magic ring. Into the magic ring, repeat 8 times. Work double crochet 3 together. Then make 1 chain. When you have the 8 repeats, close the round with a slip stitch into the top of the first double crochet 3 together. Total 8 double crochet 3 together groups, 8 1-chain spaces. Now we will work around each group from round 1. Around each group from round 1, repeat 8 times. Work 1 front post double crochet, then make 3 chains. Close with a slip stitch into the first front post double crochet. Total 8 front post double crochets, 8 3-chain spaces. Now go to each 1-chain space from round 1. In each space, repeat 8 times. Work 1 popcorn stitch, the project popcorn, typically 5 double crochets closed as a popcorn. Then make 4 chains. Close with a slip stitch into the top of the first popcorn. Total 8 popcorn stitches, 8 4-chain spaces. In this round, we are drawing with double crochet and chains. Repeat 8 times. Work 1 double crochet just to the right of the popcorn from round 3. Make 1 chain. Skip 1 popcorn. Work 1 double crochet. Make 4 chains. Close with a slip stitch into the first double crochet. Total 16 double crochet, 8 one chain spaces, 8 four chain spaces. Now we will work behind the fabric, wrapping each popcorn from round 3, yes, from behind, like a hidden layer. Around each popcorn, repeat 8 times. Work 3 double crochet. Make 3 chains. Close with a slip stitch into the first double crochet. Total 24 double crochet, 8 three chain spaces. We keep working around the post of the popcorn from round 3. Repeat 8 times. Work one front post double crochet around the popcorn post. Make 6 chains. Close with a slip stitch into the first front post double crochet. Total 8 front post double crochet, 8 six chain spaces. Now bring to the front the groups of 3 double crochet from round 5, the ones that were behind. You will see them pop up and take the spotlight. Over each group of 3 double crochet from round 5, repeat 8 times. Work front post double crochet 3 together, using those 3 posts. Make 6 chains. Close with a slip stitch into the top of the first 3 together group. Total 8 front post double crochet 3 together groups, 8 6 chain spaces. Find a little group from round 4 that looks like double crochet, 1 chain, double crochet. Start on the left double crochet of that group. Repeat 8 times. Work 1 cluster, made in front post stitches and closed together in this order. 1 front post treble crochet, 1 front post single crochet, 1 front post treble crochet, and close them as 1 single cluster. Make 3 chains. Work 1 single crochet into the 1 chain space from round 4. Make 3 chains. Close with a slip stitch into the top of the first cluster. Total 16 front post treble crochet, 8 front post single crochet, 8 single crochet, 16 3 chain spaces.